everybody wake up, everybody wake up, brother.
Okay. Welcome back to the episode of Stress. By the way, I'm still okay, man. I'm taking you down the path of knowledge that I am sure you will enjoy anytime, any day, anywhere. Right now, we're going to talk about words of 3 syllables with primary stress on the first syllable. As I said earlier in some other episodes, I choose words that give you problems, words that embarrass you in public. So, we shall look at them, because I have many of them here. But on the board, I have used my scale. These are scales developed by me to help you pronounce words correctly. Once you are able to use this scale to pronounce one word, the way this scale works, every other word that is on a scale like this, up, down, down, pronounce it the same way. That's it. See what happens here. This one is loud. This is not loud. This is not loud. As the word goes down, it dies away. That's the beauty of the word. It's not when you say lucrative. That's bad English. It should be up. I also know they say up, down, down. Up, down, down. Down, up, down. Things like this. These are stress patterns. So if you say up, down, down, lucrative, this place becomes a schwa. This particular word, letter, becomes a schwa like this. Lucrative. The business is lucrative, not lucrative. That's Nigerian. Now, look at it this way. This one says recognize, not to recognize. Recognize. Do you recognize me? Yes, I recognize you. Look, again, you can use recognize in a different way. Apart from do you know me, do you remember me, and all of that. When you are arguing with someone, and someone says, I want you to appreciate the fact that you're wrong. So yes, I can appreciate that. Look, I recognize that. I recognize my mistake. It's okay, but your problem is you have difficulty recognizing when you're wrong. Good. So here, we say, look at this interesting word. Maintenance. That is Nigerian English. Maintenance. British English. Maintenance. So, maintenance. That's Nigerian English. Maintenance. Maintenance. This is also a schwa here. Maintenance. As in lucrative. Recognize. Lucrative. Business. Recognize. Do you recognize me? Yes, I recognize you. But I wanted to recognize your mistake. I recognize that. I appreciate that. That's what you're saying. Good. Then again, it says maintenance. My vehicle needs, my car needs maintenance, or it lacks maintenance. So when a car lacks maintenance, it is going to go into disuse. It may become rickety. Okay. So next, I am doing the analysis, but I'll still get back to them individually. So if you look at the other side of the board, you see words of 3 syllables with primary stress on the second syllable. What it means is, if here you said lucrative, here is going to be embarrass. Embarrass. This was lucrative. Up, down, down. But this is embarrass. Down, up, down. Means stressed. Stress. So stressed, unstressed, unstressed. Here, unstressed, stressed, unstressed. The same thing here, deposit. You don't deposit money. Deposit. No, it is deposit. Deposit. Okay. Then opponent. My opponent. My opponent. 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 Mba. It's opponent. Acumen. Not acumen. Business acumen. No, acumen. Acumen. Good. So, You go to a bank, you pay a deposit. Then you you are embarrassing me. This is an embarrassment. Why are you embarrassing me? I was embarrassed. It's an embarrassment. You like embarrassing people. Are you embarrassed? Are you trying to embarrass me? I was so embarrassed. This guy really embarrassed me. Look, my main embarrassment now is I don't know how to confront him and say, I am sorry. Okay. As I said on that board earlier, words of three syllables that I am treating for you right now are words that have primary stress and secondary stress. Most teachers, most exam bodies talk about just the primary stress pattern. That's wrong. We should talk about the secondary and primary stress patterns of English at the same time. Why? Because the beauty of the language is in your ability to use secondary and primary stress patterns of your language at the same time. That makes your English very educated. Very educated. Now, what is secondary stress? Secondary stress means that it's also stressed like primary stress. The difference is that the primary stress is louder than secondary stress. For instance, if you say educate, educated, you are using primary stress only. But if you say education, you see there's two stress portions there. Education. You say education. Well, it's not a crime, but you are not showing the excellence needed to be shown while using the language. Education.